Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P. In this quick video, we will learn about the microservices. Right now, it is the hot skill and on demand. Every organization is looking for the candidates who is having the knowledge of microservices, or we can say how they can modernize their infrastructure. So they are looking for the people who is already having this knowledge. Okay, so in this quick video, I'll show you how you can register for these sessions. There are 3 sessions, 1 hour each. So within 3 hours, you will learn how you can use the microservices, what exactly it is, how it is shifting our monolithic system to microservices system, and it will help you to build event driven services with Apache Kafka, and also will help you to putting the micro into microservices with stateful stream processing. So when we are talking about the Apache Kafka, it is a open source system which is mainly used for live feeds and all. So why and where the microservices are used, just for an example, if you are seeing Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, any application which is right now live and you are using it, but you will not see any downtime while they are maintaining that thing, because they have already shifted from the monolithic to microservices architecture, where all the components are loosely coupled. But in monolithic system, our all the component related to applications are tightly coupled. So whenever there is any maintenance required or you want to do any upgrade, at that time you need to shut the whole system and ask for the downtime, then only you will be able to update the system. But in microservices architecture, all the component of the services are loosely coupled. You can take one services or one system down and do the upgrade on that one, other services will work fluently. So this is how the microservices work. So I'll recommend to learn these services, so it will boost your profile, it will have the good exposure. You will have the good exposure in front of organization where you are applying, and they are honestly looking for these skills. This is hot right now. Next thing, where you can register for these 3 sessions, I'll share the link in the description box. Just go there, you will see this page there. Okay, here the dates are mentioned for all the 3 sessions. So first one is already gone right now, so nothing to worry. Once you will register, you will receive 3 emails where the links of each session will be given. Once you will click on first session, which is already gone, you will see available on demand. Just you need to provide the email address and then you can log in. And how it will look like, I'll show you. If you will see the others, it is like it is available, but it will be on scheduled date. So it's all depend on you when you are registering, when you are watching this video. If you want to learn more about what about these sessions, now you will have more details here and how the session will look like. Let me show you that thing. So once you will go there, okay, once you will click on the session, you will see this page where the media player is there, where all the recorded session is available. Means when for the first session it is available right now, so you can go through this 1 hour session. Also, not only you will get the training, but also you will get the documents as well. All the slides which is they are going through, they are providing also additional documents, like they are giving the ebooks, other documents, or the blogs link where you can get more information related to this. So this is how you can boost your profile and get more exposure in front of client. So guys, that's it in this video. If you find this video helpful, then click on like button. If you want more resources like this, then mention in the comment box and share, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and share with your friend to help them, because once you will help them, they will also take advantage, so we can learn together and grow together. So see you in next video for more learn.